Welcome back to a new video friends. Today we are going to talk about how to change pattern in geophone next. How can you change your pattern in geophone next? Today I am going to tell you about this setting in this video. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you are new in my channel, so please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now let's start video friends. First of all, open your setting app and click on security, screen lock, draw your pattern, and guys again click on pattern, draw new pattern guys, like sorry, clear Z, next Z, confirm, back, and let's see friends. So I think friends we have understood how to change pattern in geophone next. So bye bye friend, thank you for watching my video. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel.